Hi, I'm Aaron, Product Specialist here at Crosby Volkswagen in Kitchener. Today I would like to take a moment to go over a complimentary prepaid maintenance package offered with the Autobahnforall event and explain how it can relieve some stress off of your shoulders. When you purchase a new vehicle, you will receive a complimentary prepaid maintenance package covering regularly scheduled services over the next 3 years or 45,000 kilometers, whichever comes first. It's valued up to $989. You will have the option to upgrade to a 4-year, 60,000 kilometer plan or to the 5-year, 75,000 kilometer plan starting at $275. The price advantage of the prepaid maintenance plans is an approximately 30% savings when compared to paying as you go. Furthermore, Volkswagen Credit allows you to roll the expense of the prepaid maintenance packages into your lease or finance, allowing your vehicle payment to more accurately reflect the cost of ownership. It is important to note Volkswagen prepaid maintenance plans are not exclusively redeemable at Crosby Volkswagen. You can take your vehicle to any Volkswagen dealership in Canada to receive your service, giving you peace of mind while traveling. To learn more about this limited time offer, book an appointment with us at crosbyvw.com or call us at 519-894-9300.
Volkswagen.